One thing I just want to hop on today and discuss a little bit about, something that we're getting a lot of virtual consults on and phone calls on, and that's stress on our teeth from clenching and grinding. People are calling in with either pain in their teeth or in their jaw, in their joints, and a lot of times, this type of discomfort comes from stress, right? So obviously we're going through a very stressful time as a world right now. And so, we need to do something to be able to protect ourselves. Obviously pay attention to where the pain's coming from. If you notice, something, signs of infection, swelling, little pimples or bubbles around that, then that's obviously a more serious issue. But, if it's really kind of a generalized discomfort, pain cause, or pain, kind of pain in the joint, or pain that's being caused by more stress and less kind of nerve issues, then this could absolutely be a good solution for you. I don't recommend these as a long-term solution. They are pretty soft, so we tend to munch through them pretty quickly, but the bigger problem for me is long-term. When we have a soft material like that, the teeth have been shown to be able to move over the course of a long period of time. So it's not something that I would recommend long term, but for the short term, hopefully this is pretty short, relatively short term. It'll help you get by until you can get something a little harder, a little more permanent.